Hi Haven, I'm here to tell you about how to use a program called Screencast-O-Matic. It's a downloadable program that will allow you to make videos for free that you can send to students if we need to go to e-learning. These videos can be made into YouTube videos so that you can embed them within Google Classroom. They have instructional videos for how to do that on their website, which I'll attach with this email. So to get started, you will go to screencast-o-matic.com and you will sign up for free. I would suggest signing up with Google and using your school account. That's what I've done, but I've made a test account for this. Once on this site, you're going to go to where it says switch to original view, and we'll click it. And here you will click download install. You'll notice it downloading in the bottom. Once it's downloaded, you'll open it up. Then you just need to drag this over into applications. And then once there, you can open up Screencast-O-Matic, and then you can walk through how to use it. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm definitely here to answer some questions, or you can use the tutorial videos to help you make these videos. You can make videos where it is just your face. You can make videos where it's the screen and a little picture-in-picture with yourself. Overall, I think it's pretty useful. I've used it with students to help them walk through like how to sign up for an online textbook and how to do a few other things. Like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'm happy to help.